Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add photos to your Google Business profile in 2026. Adding high-quality photos helps attract more customers, improves your business visibility, and builds trust. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Business profile account. From the dashboard, select the business you want to manage if you have more than one location. Next, click on *Photos from the left menu. Here you'll see different categories such as logo, cover, exterior, interior, team, and general photos. Choose the category that best matches the image you want to upload. Now click Add Photos or the Upload button, then select the images from your computer. Wait a few moments while Google uploads them. Make sure your photos are clear, well-lit, and accurately represent your business. Avoid blurry, heavily edited, or misleading images because they may not perform well. Once the upload is complete, Google may take some time to review your photos before they appear publicly. You can always return to the Photos section to add more images or remove outdated ones. That's it, your Google Business profile now has fresh photos that can help attract more customers and improve your online presence.